Hey, how is it going, everybody? So I made a video talking about buying a phone from Walmart is a really good idea because Walmarts are everywhere. And say you purchase a phone from a Walmart in Texas, and then you're traveling somewhere, say you travel to Arizona, and you need to return the phone, well, you can return the phone to a Walmart in Arizona. Now, here's the thing. The phone must be in like new. Let me just put it to you this way. The phone must be in new condition. And here's the crazy thing, and it's not really crazy, but you have to have all the original packaging, including the accessories, manuals, and components. So, long story short, you got to have the box that the phone came in, along with all the accessories. I know sometimes whenever you trade in a phone, not trade in, or you can return a phone to like the bigger tech companies or sometimes they don't penalize you for not returning the cable or the accessories or whatever. You get what I'm saying, right? But with Walmart, you must make sure that you have the original packaging, accessories, manuals, and components. Also, you're going to need the original store receipt or an e-receipt or an online order packing slip for a full refund to your original payment method. Now, here's the big one, all right? Now, for some carrier-activated or postpaid phones, they may be subject to a $55 restocking fee. So when you go to return your phone from Walmart, so just like I said, if it's a carrier-activated or a postpaid phone, it's going to be subject to a $55 stocking fee, which is pretty expensive considering like Best Buy, last I checked, it was like $35, maybe $45, but it was like $35. And yeah, so that's something to really think about. And if you return the phone, remember to separately cancel any connected carrier service contracts or activation plans, or you're going to keep getting charged. All right. So that's basically it. Prepaid cell phone cards, SIM cards, and airtime cards cannot be returned or refunded. So say you purchased I call it a pay-as-you-go phone, and you had your your prepaid, you paid for the prepaid. That's it. You paid. It's done. You're not going to get nothing back. All right. And so anyway, like I said, I still think purchasing a phone from Walmart is pretty good. Let me know in the comments what you all think, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.